Train should be here any minute now. Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go. Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that moral?
Who said it was fine?
My fault.
Come on!
You're pathetic. You know that? Here we go! Pull me up! I'm slipping! Help!
I've got you. Now stop yelling.
What the
Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Let's go! Okay.
God dang it, we being robbed. Hold it back.
Come on, let's get to the front!
How many you see?
We best get up there!
That's how you want to do it.
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
What is wrong with you boys? Kill him! Make things we can make it, boy!
You ain't getting past me. This ain't gonna end. How you doing there?
I'm okay. God, get him off me!
Shit, more guards coming out of that train car.
There better be some money at the end of this!
All these bastards must be guarding something. Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm! Who is this
Doing
guy?
good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Shoot him! Shoot him! Damn it! All of them!
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. Hey! There's the other boy!
Oh, you're done now. Hey! Over here, fellas. Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys
You
up here.
two all right?
Yes.
Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little! You two boys go blow that door open. Now, it don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough.
Here we go.
Now light the fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
search that train.
These bonds, they worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three. So be it.